So today I'm just going to show you how I store my toppers when travelling and what I do to keep them nice and fresh in between. So this is my closed lace vanilla butter blonde 16-inch Airy Elegance, which is one of my absolute favourites with the density. I have one of these storage bags that zip up and you have a little hook in it, and I'll show you what you do with that. So you just hook that on like so, flip that up like this, put this in your storage bag. I'll just put them in there, but there you go. And you can hang this up when you get to a hotel or on holiday. If you've got some hangers, you can hang them all along there if you haven't got much room, or you can just hang them in the wardrobe or in the room. I find them really handy for that though, and I do tend to fold them up in the case. I've got my case here, so I just tend to flatten that down, put that at the top of the case normally so it doesn't get too squashed, and that is how I actually travel with the toppers. But when I also get to hotels, I sometimes like to use my collapsible wig stand. I find that very handy. So that is another way I do it, but I do find these bags very handy because they stop the sunlight getting into your toppers, but also they just keep them nice and fresh. You're not going to collect dust on them either, which is another thing. I sometimes just take my collapsible stand and just put them like so. But some of the things that I always have to travel with are pin curl clips, because if I want a bit of body and I want to use a little bit of water mist and just do some pin curls just to keep the curls in, because I don't always take curling tongs with me. So what I'll do is I will roll the hair up when it's curly, just roll that up into sections and clip that in place, and that will keep it nice and wavy in between. I always have my Got to Be free spray. The got to Be styling gel, I always just put in a small travel pot because you only need a little bit of that. So that is what I do with that, and that is how I like to travel and keep my hair nice and styled in between, because there's nothing worse than having nowhere to put your hair when you get to a hotel and you're, oh, like, what am I going to do in my wig once I've taken it off? These are really handy as well, because you can just put your topper in there, tie it up, and these bags where they're silk, they stop the topper from knotting up as well, so you won't get really knotty hair with that. Same with the bags, you won't get the knots because it's nice and flat. So that is how I travel with my toppers.